Dueling bandsaws. I gotta be honest. There's really no actual purpose to this video other than we just realized how funny it was that we got a lot of footage of Wyatt, who was helping me get through a tough job. He drove up to help out. Wyatt and I were both rocking bandsaws at the same time. We had a good little bit of footage of it. And how often do you see two people running two bandsaws simultaneously in opposite directions? I will say we spared everybody who's watching this from sound because one bandsaw, if you're rocking it, it can sound like Mariah Carey after chain smoking for a week. Well, imagine she had a twin sister and they were both singing like that. That's what that whole room probably sounds like. But the grizzly bandsaw I'm on is I bought it specifically for this purpose, utilitarian curve work. The other one is Laguna 5 horsepower. They're both 5 horsepower. And the Laguna, I bought it for one simple purpose: ripping, just ripping. So I keep a big blade on it and a tiny blade on this one. It's kind of silly, but it works out really well for me. I've always preferred two bandsaws, but it's really nice when there's two humans to work with at the same time. It was a cool moment working alongside Wyatt. He did a really great job. He was cutting veneers, and I was rough cutting chair back parts, so to speak, which are kind of like legs too. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just getting them rough cut about an eighth of an inch off the actual finished line for the piece to put on the shaper. But this makes the shaper go faster. And yeah, dueling bandsaws. How cool is that? As you can see right here, the blade I'm using on this is about a 1/4 inch. Probably should have done 3/8. Yeah, and all of this is rock maple, mind you. So, oof, not quick sawing.